Mass residents, you cannot claim workers' compensation benefits if you're injured on your way to work. Or can you? So I'll be covering what's known as the Massachusetts coming and going rule as it applies to workers' compensation claims. And the case I found that really covers it pretty well was from 1968, and these cases are very fact specific. So here's what happened. Back in 1968, there was a man who was employed as a senior research chemist for a company known as Arthur D. Little. He was salaried and he had usual working hours of 8:30 a.m. till 5:30 p.m. He was free to come and go as other professionals similarly were in the company as he felt necessary, and his job duties required delegation of tasks. And it was expected of him to be professional and do whatever was necessary to get the job done. Again, chemistry, science, it doesn't sleep. You can do projects, lab experiments all night, any time of day, weekends. So on the particular day in question, this particular employee, chemist rather, started an experiment, and the experiment itself required him to take periodic readings well into the night. So he leaves for the day in the evening and tells his assistant that I'll be coming back probably tonight or I may wait until the morning. The logbooks of this employee routinely show that he would, in fact, return to take readings during the middle of the night. Well, unfortunately, at about 10:20 p.m. that night, he was killed in a car accident on his way back from his home to the lab. His estate filed for workers' compensation benefits, and the company or the workers' compensation carrier fought it, saying that, hey, we don't have to pay because he wasn't within the scope of his employment at the time of the accident. Well, the workers' comp court decided otherwise and found that based upon the very specific facts of this case, that the employee was acting within the scope of his employment and granted benefits. The workers' comp carrier appealed to the Mass Supreme Judicial Court, which is the highest court in the land. They agreed and saw no reason to overturn the decision of the comp court and upheld the benefits, granting the benefits of the workers' compensation to the employer. So there you have it. Again, this is from 1968. The case is still good. It's a great case, but again, it's very, very fact specific. But in today's day and age of work from home and people traveling more often, if you're injured on your way to work, you definitely want to contact a Massachusetts workers' comp lawyer. Give me a call. You can message me. Feel free to share this with anyone that you know to help educate them.